Hello guys. Anyway, I hope you are all okay and doing well. Anyway, below I have uploaded all the links, the necessary links for you to get schematics and to join our Telegram group. I'm looking for more members, so please feel free. If you are looking for information, you can download any schematic on our Telegram group, including BIOS bin files. So anyway, feel free, go ahead and download everything below on the link attached below. I have uploaded, I think, 3 or 4 links, if I'm not mistaken. There's a link for Telegram, and there's another link for my book. I published a book. You will see my book there. Feel free. It's for beginners anyway, and it's more advanced as well, but it's more suitable for beginners. And what else? Okay, and some other information as well, like how to diagnose laptops, motherboard, how to diagnose desktops, cheap component repair, and there's more there. You can go ahead and download, but one more important thing, please press the subscribe button. Do subscribe and share my videos. Let's help more and more people, so feel free and go ahead and share my content. Anyway guys, today I'll be showing you how to download laptop schematic. One of the guys, he commented on one of my videos saying I should teach you and show you how download schematic. Where do I get the schematic and where do I get the BIOS bin files? Anyway, it's easy guys. So what you do, let me show you. Okay, you open your Chrome. All right, let's say you are looking for schematic for Lenovo, HP, or Dell. Let me say Dell. You type there Dell latitude. You include the model number, maybe let's say E6430, and then you press enter. Okay, sorry, wait, and then you say schematic, and then you press enter. Okay, and if you check there is our first result was Ali Cellular. They're one of the best. They offer free schematics. Let me show you. You go inside. You can use your phone, or you can use your laptop or your desktop. You press download there. It's gonna direct you into another tab, another page. Then there you can see a schematic, and you can download the schematic there by pressing the download. Anyway, let's go back again, and on our second result we have labor one inside. They're also free. They're almost the same as the other one, but on this one you'll press there, read more. Okay, after that there is a download, and I think, yeah, there we go. We have the schematic. You can even download or print the schematic. It's up to you. Anyway guys, this is so simple, this is so easy. This is how I download the schematic for any laptop. Okay, let's try. Let's say let's look for a BIOS bin file. Remove the schematic there, and you put BIOS bin file, enter. Same guys, Alicella or labor one inside, the same. You do the same thing. And one more thing, I want to show you this. We have bad caps. I'm one of the member there. This is a nice, I won't lie to you, this is a very, very lovely forum where you can get anything free of charge, but you need to be a member anyway. Right, yeah. So I can download, see, I can download it, but you won't be able to access downloading there. Let me say cancel because I don't need this. Anyway, yeah, bro. This is how you download. But one more important, you need to be a member there on the pet caps. We'll talk about the pet caps. I think I'll have to do a video regarding pet caps just to show you how to use the pet caps, all those things, how to register. I'll do a video anyway. Yeah, guys, this is how you find the schematics. It's easy. Some of the stuff you have to go online and Google. Once you have once you know how to download the schematic, now what you do is easy. Just do this. Or you have to have a hard drive where you'll be able to save all your important data. This is my hard drive. I have a folder there for BIOS bin files. Let me check the size. Let me show you the size. The size of this folder is 27 gigs. It's packed with all the laptop bin files, Acer, Asus, Dell. Let's go inside the Dell. You'll find all the files, different files. They're in different formats. Some are zipped. These are all the files. I have like thousands of these files, guys, for most laptops. Even for Toshiba, same thing. Let's go to RAR, same thing. Let's go to zip, same thing. Okay. Sony, I don't have much for Sony. Okay, let me show you HP. Yeah, I have bunch and thousands. See, some are even outside, even inside those folder. You'll see binary files. You see RAR. You'll have bunch there, and the zipped. You'll have there. Anyway, yeah, this is how you download and you save. I don't have much to say, but guys, this is easy. Please don't disappoint me. But anyway, let's go inside. Okay, don't forget to go online on my YouTube channel and then download those things, those tools, those files. Anyway, sharp.